Ever noticed how often your car needs a jump start? It's a common problem that can leave you stranded. But what if I told you there's a simple way to keep your battery healthy and extend its lifespan? Today, we're diving into a life pro tip that can save you hassle and money on car maintenance. Here's your life pro tip. Regularly clean your battery terminals. To do this, start by ensuring your car is off. Then, using a wire brush, scrub the terminals to remove any corrosion. If you notice heavy corrosion, a mixture of baking soda and water can help neutralize the acid. Rinse with clean water and dry thoroughly. Why does this work? Corrosion can hinder the electrical connection, leading to poor performance and early battery failure. By keeping the terminals clean, you ensure a strong connection, which helps your car start reliably. You can also apply this tip to other electrical connections in your vehicle for better overall performance. However, be cautious. Avoid touching the battery terminals with metal tools to prevent accidental short circuits. In summary, regularly cleaning your battery terminals can prevent unexpected breakdowns and extend your battery's life. It's a small investment of time with big returns for your car's reliability.